choosing. See where I'm coming from?
Mm-hmm.
Should be the other side of the crossing. You should be. Go the other side of the crossing. That one's got enough room to do a U-turn anyway. That's fine. Alright? Good. Now, if there's nothing coming, to put a thumbs up to the guy. Good. Although, I'd be really wary of trusting anyone. Notice I read the script before it happened as well, and that's what he was looking for. Just help people. But if that was you doing a U-turn, I would have probably reversed again and then gone a little bit this way to improve my view, rather than just trust the learner driver. Alright, the instructor's probably not going to let it happen, but do you get where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
Yeah?